everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you our DIY geometric wall paint design. This is a very easy and affordable DIY activity you can do at home. The first material that we used is a 1-inch masking tape. The design is freestyle, but you can be more playful with the wall pattern design. You can add more lines if you want a smaller geometric pattern, and for the color, you can mix and match, or if you want a simpler one, you can just use 2 colors. Before you start coating, please don't forget to protect your floor. Here are the other materials that we used: 1 quart white paint, 1 small lamp black latex color, and 1 piece baby roller. We just want a simple design, so Daddy Chad just mixed the white paint with the lamp black to achieve a gray color. So this is the first coating, and you have to let it dry before applying the second one. This is now the second coating, and the same process applies for the third one. You have to let it dry before applying the third and final coating. Before you remove the tape, you have to make sure that the paint is totally dry. You have to remove it slowly to avoid damaging the paint design.
You can get some.
So this is how we gave our cabinet a new life. The total expenses is only 300 pesos. So this is definitely worth your time and money. Thank you again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for you to get our latest DIY videos.